Well, it's Saturday and I'm about to start another project. It's really the project that I think most people will want to do because they can immediately see that the Sutesloly Floral project, which is which uses some of the stitches that taught in the pink project, makes a pretty picture, and people want to make a pretty picture. I think for whatever reason, we could turn that into a little bag. We could also make a copy of this, or even take the patch itself and apply it to some blue jeans, because the people in my church and I are going to have a little hippies party. And I said, well, let's learn how to sew on our blue jeans. And this is a great design to copy and put on blue jeans. This project comes with its own little set of threads, and these are ideal threads. I believe that they're probably DMC threads, but it doesn't really say that. But so many of these kits come with threads that, at the best you could tie up an ornament on a Christmas tree, but they're not good for sewing. And but this thread is good thread. So